All right, let's just jump right into this explainer. We're looking at a pretty massive shift in the Indian gaming audio scene today. Noise, yeah, the brand we usually think of for smartwatches and everyday earbuds, well, they are officially stepping onto the digital battlefield. We're doing a full chapter-wise review loadout of their brand new tactical entry, the Noise Clutch HP01 gaming headset. To give you the tactical advantage, we've structured this explainer into a quick 5-chapter loadout. We'll hit Chapter 1, the Clutch arrives. Chapter 2, audio and voice communication. Chapter 3, cross-platform connectivity. Chapter 4, battery life and comfort. And finally, Chapter 5, price and availability. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, the Clutch arrives. So meet the Clutch HP01. This is literally Noise's very first dedicated gaming headphone, and it's spearheading their entirely new Clutch range. And look, this isn't just some repurposed pair of everyday headphones with a mic slapped on. No, this was built from the ground up specifically for gamers who demand high-level performance across multiple platforms. I actually love the core philosophy Noise is adopting here. Real-world muted, game volume max. It's a fantastic tagline, right? It perfectly sets the expectation for the level of immersion they're aiming for. It tells us exactly what their engineers were gunning for in the lab. All right, moving right along to Chapter 2, audio and voice communication. Now, the crucial specs here really jump out at you. You've got a massive 50mm dynamic driver pushing a 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response. Basically, that means you're getting those heavy, booming explosions, but also those incredibly crisp directional footsteps. And hey, since gaming is a team sport, they've paired that with a detachable cardioid boom mic. That cardioid pickup pattern, absolutely essential. It's designed to literally cut out the background noise in your room so your squad only hears you. Crystal clear comms, zero distractions. They've also thrown in 7.1 virtual surround sound. But you know what's really fantastic about this? It's toggleable. You can flip it on for that intense spatial awareness in competitive shooters, when you need to pinpoint exactly where an enemy is flanking from, and then just toggle it right back off to standard stereo when you're chilling with some music or watching a stream. But listen, all that fancy audio tech, it means absolutely nothing if there's a delay. 24 milliseconds. That number right there represents the ultra-low wireless latency on the HPP01. So, what does this actually mean for your tactical advantage? Well, in practical terms, 24 milliseconds means the audio hits your ears practically the exact instant an enemy takes a step or reloads. It essentially eliminates that frustrating wireless lag we all hate. Honestly, it means you can't blame latency for missing a shot anymore. The sound is reaching you before the enemy even finishes making their move. Which brings us to Chapter 3. Cross-platform connectivity. You can officially say goodbye to the endless headphone shuffle. Seriously, if you're sick of having one headset for your PC, another for your console, maybe a third for your phone, the HP P01 is built to connect seamlessly to virtually every major gaming platform out there today. PC, Mac, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, mobile, it's a true all-in-one peripheral. Talk about clearing up your desk clutter, right? And it pulls off this massive compatibility through 4 distinct connection modes with zero compromise. You can use the included 2.4 GHz USB dongle for instant pairing and 0 signal drops on PC or console. Or you can just seamlessly swap over to Bluetooth 6.0 for mobile. And hey, if you just want to go old school and plug directly into your controller, you can still rely on a trusty 3.5mm wired cable. Okay, let's pivot to Chapter 4, battery life and comfort. Just let this sink in for a second. 40 hours. That massive figure is the maximum battery life you can squeeze out of this headset on a single charge. Because, honestly, is there anything worse than your headset dying right in the middle of a crucial raid? No way. So, breaking that down, it's powered by a built-in 600 mAh battery. Now, you get those full 40 hours if you turn the RGB lighting off. But look, even if you want your whole setup glowing with that 7-mode RGB lighting, we're talking steady colors, breathing rotations, the whole shebang, you still get a highly respectable 20 hours of playtime. Plus, a full top-up via USB-C only takes about 2 hours anyway. Of course, comfort is just as crucial as battery life when we're talking about marathon gaming sessions. Weighing in at just 300 grams with a full metal frame, memory foam, and breathable fabric-covered mesh, these are totally engineered to fight off ear fatigue. And as a bonus, Noise actually ran these through rigorous drop, tumble, and vibration tests. So that headband and clamp, they are genuinely durable enough to handle your daily wear and tear, and maybe the occasional reach quit. Finally, Chapter 5, price and availability. First things first, you aren't just stuck with basic matte black here. The HP01 launches with some seriously striking aesthetics. You've got an aggressive black and red, alongside this really sleek gray and green colorway. They look fantastic. And you'll notice the accessible on-ear controls right there on the ear cup. That makes on-the-fly volume adjustments or muting your mic completely effortless while you're in the zone. But wait, if you really want to stand out, they also offer this incredibly premium-looking purple and gold option. I mean, this colorway just pops, especially when you have that zoned RGB lighting turned on and bouncing off those gold accents. It is absolutely a statement piece for any desk setup. Okay, now for the tactical drop. The entire package is priced at an incredibly aggressive 4,999 rupees in India. And if you're ready to upgrade your loadout, you can actually pre-book it right now exclusively via Noise's website, with deliveries expected to hit doorsteps right around August 27th. So that brings us to our final takeaway. With Noise officially stating they plan to expand this entire Clutch range all the way through 2026, we really have to ask, does this feature-packed headset disrupt the budget gaming market enough to become your new daily driver? I mean, 24 millisecond latency, a 40-hour battery, and true cross-platform flexibility, that is a very serious statement of intent from Noise. Think about how this could level up your own personal gaming loadout. Thanks for hanging out and learning with me in this explainer, and hey, stay focused out there.